Hi, my name is Upuli. Welcome to Chef Upuli's Fiery Flavors. Come on in. Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to make homemade pecan pralines. You can do it. What we need is 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of granulated sugar, white, and 1 cup of brown granulated sugar, and 1.5 cup of pecan pieces. I got the whole one, so I had to break it, and 2 tablespoons of butter. I got the curry called. You can use it whatever you want, and then half a cup of evaporated milk. So I'm going to turn on my cooker to a little bit medium, and then I'm going to add my all ingredients. I'm going to add my white sugar, and I'm going to add my brown sugar, and then I'm going to add my evaporated milk, and then I'm going to mix it. I'm using the wood spoon. You can use what you have. I like the wood spoon because of my silver things. If you are using the non-stick, better you use the silicone spoon. So I'm going to mix it. You can see now everything mixing together. Now I'm waiting for a boiling. Camera close, please. So I'm going to put my burner to the medium. I want this to be cooked very soon. So this color because of my brown sugar. I'm going to look at my watch, and I'm giving you the time, how much it took to cook it, then for you to easy to look at your time also. Because if you are making it first time, it's a little bit hard, but don't get afraid. You can do this. This is really easy. Only thing is you have to continually mix it. Don't stop it. It can be burned because you know we have the sugar and the milk. Okay, now it's getting bubbling. So you let it come it really well, and whole thing will start bubbling, and then you can add your pecans and the butter. Now see, this is everything is boiling very well, and now I'm going to add my pecans. So add your pecans, and then we are going to add our 2 tablespoons of butter. So 2 tablespoons is like this piece, so you can use this one. So mix it well. That butter have to be melted, and this have to become thicker. Then is the right time. So I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I use the bigger spoon to do that. And then I'm waiting for now get thicker, and then we are going to take it out from the burn and continually going to mix it until it get thicker. So I will show you the right time to take out from your burner. Now check. Now little bit you feel it's hard to mix it, and your hand is getting a little bit hurt, and that is the right time for take out this from the burner and keep mixing. Okay, I'm going to take this one out. So I took out from the burner and keep mixing. Keep mixing is until it's get little bit thicker. You feel it is getting thicker, and your hand is little bit not good feeling for your hand. See, now it's really good for them. It's really good time. So I'm going to keep stirring up, and then I'm going to put on my pans. I have like a parchment paper, so you can use the just pan and add a little bit butter. Now I'm going to put on my parchment paper. This one is getting really thick. I think I keep a little bit more. So now I have already poured this out, and I'm going to let it cool for 30 minutes, and I will see you back in 30 minutes. Hi, so I think it didn't take 30 minutes, it only took 20 minutes, less than 20 minutes to fix it. So normally sometimes take 30 minutes if that is not thicker. My one became very thick. I like the big pieces. So actually my one is really heavy, and it's like a weight almost 65 grams. 65 grams each piece. I only make it 8 pieces, but you can make it more if you get a little bit early and pour it out. So I will give you another trick. If you get really thick it, little bit put more milk, evaporated milk top of it, and mix it well and start put on the paper. So this is how we do our pralines. Don't be afraid, you can do it. Try it and let me know. Thank you so much for watching my video. Love you all.